can't just say anything?
I'm
Say
excited. Hi.
Do you think you're gonna do better than me?
I'm nervous. I'm not good at drawing, so.
Me either, but you said you're good at drawing. You're lying.
No, I didn't say that.
No, he's like, oh, I used to be an artist.
Oh, when I was a little girl. Now, I run this with Maya.
Alright, well, she's not here, so. Alright, let me show the camera what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this one on the left.
Yeah, that was
Something similar to that.
That's nice.
I can't do that, so I have to. There goes nothing. He's just stuck, so. That's an eye. Nice and quiet in him. Actually, good that you're quiet.
Need to draw a perfect circle.
Kind of hard because we're just. I think the carbon part's gonna be the hardest.
Yeah, you're right about those
Oh,
ridges.
look, there's one. Mine.
Looks good.
So far, make him come to life. So you just going freestyle, no stencil?
No. I'm a lefty, so lefties can usually draw good circles. Actually, like
Say so. I'm always use the backside.
that.
if you mess up.
Forming.
You said what?
It's forming into a circle. Okay.
Ah, look at that.
Let me see, but the circles are like oval.
Nah, I'm changing it up. I'm gonna try to get like this, but I'm just making it how I want to do it. I gotta get two little balls right now. So I can do it like that. Let's try this.
Yeah, it's gonna be a baby one. Maybe I should have did bigger. Bigger circle.
Maybe. Oh, that's right. I'm gonna mess up. I'm gonna fix it somehow. His nose is definitely crooked. It's just this smile is gonna be the hardest part. I need something that's like an arch. What I use, that's like my hands not steady enough to do this. I guess I should just do it. Looks like I got Chinaman nostrils.
Let me see. It does.
I'm gonna try to get us my hands. I don't think I can do that. I need something that's gonna arch.
You can like watch this after though.
You'll be fine.
Yeah, was that off? The next circle needs to get a little better at this side.
Yeah, but you know, so right now you can carve, when you're carving it, you can touch it up to make it more of a circle as you're carving. That's just one option. So I'm gonna go with the banana again. Ah, look at that. It needs to be wider, right?
Yeah.
file side by side on IG and put Brenda versus Jared. Stay tuned.
That would be a good idea.
Ooh.
Okay, I think I like my circle better. Except this part. This is gonna have to go anyway. Okay, I'm happy with that. Did I like my circle so far?
Yeah, it's not bad. So you can use that as a knife. You're not using that marker? Me either.
It's not a marker, it's a pen. Oh. And then... Oh, that cat's gonna be hard to draw. Let me draw the tail.
Alright, my stencil's done.
No, not really.
No, what do you mean? I have to cut it like that. Oh no, I need to double it, make it thicker.
Yes.
Fuck. I know what to do. I can leave it alone. I can come on the top. I know what to do. Chill out. I got this. I thought I was done. I don't know what you're doing over there with that pen, but
It's working. I'm just my kitty. This is hard.
Becca, you suck. Could have been here, but now you're gonna have to watch.
Wow, fat cat.
Okay, let me see this.
He's cheeky.
Looks good actually. It's starting to look like a cat. That's supposed to be Thor you're drawing?
I don't know. But
You want me to put his head against the pumpkin?
Huh? For reference?
He wouldn't stay there for too long. Alright, that looks pretty good if you look at from the left and the right over here. It's
Yeah.
it's bigger than the picture. Definitely for sure.
Has to be. He's gonna have a tiny body though, and a
Yeah,
big
but-
head.
No, I think your left side you made the head too big.
My left side?
The left side of his head, if you look at it on the picture.
Right here?
Yeah. Should have been more straight down, because then you got he doesn't have much of a cheek that you have up there. You see it?
So the left side looks a little cheekier than this side?
Yeah, no, I'm saying look right here. See how it comes out too wide and that one is like.
I know.
So now you just gotta just take his body like this all the way down.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. You can fix it while you carve. That's just a guide.
It's hard.
That's pretty good. You should have went a little bigger on the circle, like here. Give yourself more room. But it's okay. Just stick with it. You can always turn it around and start over. Nah, you can't. No cheating.
No, I'm gonna do the small one.
Let me move mine in there. That's the China pumpkin. Chinaman pumpkin.
So you're done? The cat looks funny. I think I'm gonna have to draw a bigger circle this way down.
That's just a guide, bro. You can still cut it.
Yeah, I know.
You can cut a big circle and just kind of use it as a guide. Or start over and do the other side. That's where you have a whole pumpkin. You just can't show nobody the back of it.
Well, I have a small pumpkin to be fair.
So this is done. I'm gonna start here on the edge and just go around like carving.
Oh, okay.
See what I'm
That's
saying?
yeah.
Because if you look at this one, it's like big pieces.
Yeah, people are good at pumpkin carving.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying, but that's gonna have to be it. It's gonna have to be an option. Maybe I can make it a little bigger.